So I would like to welcome our next speaker, Ms. Reena Kutan from Enable India, to talk about Namayatri's journey to Color of Purple. Reena Kutan has been associated with the social development sector for over 15 years in the disability and healthcare domain. She's currently working at Enable India as a senior system enabler, a pioneer on behavior innovation such as employability for persons with disabilities. She comes with extensive experience of working with people across disabilities such as deaf, autism, locomotor disability, and multiple disabilities such as deaf blindness, and has impacted the lives of 1,000 plus individuals with disabilities. Her contribution to the healthcare and disability sector are vast. She has conducted capacity building programs for 250 plus stakeholders, 5,000 plus health workers for HIV and tuberculosis. Reena's commitment to community engagement extends beyond her professional responsibilities. She has dedicated her time to volunteer at various NGOs, including the Suryodaya Boys Center. Reflecting on her experiences, she expresses pride in witnessing the graduation of 2 batches of young boys from Suryodaya, knowing that she played a part in their journey and achievements. Beyond her work, she enjoys exploring new experiences, embarking on treks, and is a big foodie. I now welcome Reena to the stage. And over to you.
Thank you, Asha. Thank you so much. Okay. In the audience, whoever can you stand for a minute? Yeah, thank you. Okay, in case if you have your mobiles or laptop, pen, bag, anything, you can keep it on your table. Okay, so I hope your hands are a little free now. Can you raise your right hand? Oh, nice. So everyone has right hand. I just want to see left hand. Can you raise your left hand? Oh, nice. 2 hands together. Okay, can you just shake your hands? Oh, and it looked like a sign language clap also. Thank you so much. Now you can sit. Okay. By the way, thank you. You can sit down. I was little, Rakesh, this activity is not part of 15 minutes, huh? I was little nervous. I thought because in the room I'm seeing a lot of accessibility experts and who's working in the domain for many, many, many years. But me, non-techie girl and does not understand much on accessibility, how to do the accessibility testing, those other things and all. But I understand the journey a little bit, I thought, and worked a little on accessibility thing. Then I thought, yeah, can come and talk about it. And I'm still nervous what kind of a question I will be getting, whether I'll be able to answer it or not. So I'm still in pre-sitting school, so not expecting many questions from the audience, huh? Please, disclaimer. Okay, so already Asha, where is the, sorry, I'm just asking for the pointers where I can change my slides. So Asha already introduced about me, so I'm not getting into, okay. As I mentioned, I'm not a techie girl, so you can witness it. So I'm not explaining about me, but just want to give some description about me, visual description. So I am 5.1 or 2 height and wearing white color kurta with white color pant and multicolor dupatta. And I smile little. So this is about me from the inclusion point of sight. Oh yeah, from the inclusion point of sight. And also I will be playing some video. So if any videos, when it comes for our, for my blind friends, I will give some visual and audio description whenever it is required. Only limited I will be giving. And also for our deaf friends, I'll be talking little slower so the interpreter can sign little easily. And also for the videos, there is a subtitle. So other than this, is there required any other accessibility needs? Language, anything is required? I feel okay, right? Yeah, thank you. So just want to talk a little bit about Enable India. So SHOB innovators Shanti Raghavan and Deepe Sutaria started in 1999. And right now we are in our 25th years of journey. And currently we are working with, sorry, I just wanted to give this description also. Our cameraman is telling, move left, 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 and I'm keep moving on my right. So little annoying speaker. So 25 years of working experience in that 19 disabilities, different disabilities we are working. And we have just 3,25,000 of different PWD lives. And also we have opened up 300 plus jobs in private and public sector. And at Enable India, we have 45% of PWDs working. People with disabilities are working. And 45% are women. And 33% are in second line leadership. PWDs are working. So this is little bit about Enable India. Now I know here I can see many more. I have a slide talking about Mallika's journey, who's a blind. And I'm sure like this here I can hear a lot more journeys and stories like Mallika. So Mallika is a blind person from Gulbarga. She is from farming background and comes from a very big family, lots of siblings, joint family she stays, and working as an accessibility tester in a large organization in Bangalore. So just a question to all of you, and even you can tell your answer also. So what can be the average amount Mallika spends on travel? Any guess? Or it can be you guys also. What is an average money you're spending for your auto or for your cab? Sorry? 10 to 12,000, okay. 5,000? 5,000, oh wow. Lots of money we are spending, huh? Okay, so when we met Mallika and we did a small survey about Mallika, and we were little surprised and shocked to know that Mallika spent 80,000 on an auto for 8 months. So it was, 80,000. And this is only when we took a survey on particular one app, she spent this much of money. Then we thought, does she deserve the best customer experience? Yes? Okay, so we agree, yes. So she deserves it because she's spending a lot of money. The same way. So I have a Narasimha here. So one of my favorite student, when he came to Enable India. So I was his trainer. For him, what is accessibility? I try to understand from his point of sight. So he's a deaf, very happy person. Always he looks very, very happy. And he works as a manager in a large organization. More than 10 years he's working. And married with kid, and he has his own bike also. I'm telling there is a reason. I mean, most of us have bike, but why specifically for Narasimha I'm mentioning the bike thing. So, but when we met and we asked, Narasimha, whenever he goes with his family, when he books a cab or auto, always he feels that when I book a ride, I depend on others to take the driver's call, which makes me feel bad. So, and he also spending lots of money on this thing. It's not like he required an accessibility because he has a bike also. So there is one more person who is Samir, blind, from Kashmir. And he's a digital literacy trainer working at a large organization and traveled 18 states. So by airport, by bus, train, different things and all. So when I asked for him what is accessibility, usually he says, where I am working, my workplace is accessible. When I travel by flight, airport is inaccessible. But from my home to when I want to travel to office, or from my home to when I want to travel to airport, the last mile connectivity is a problem. So I'm not able to get the accessible. If I want to book a ride, others needs to help me when I book my ride. So Narasimha and Samir are little frustrated as a frustrated customer. So this was the interview or the survey when we understood. Then we thought, okay, what is the reason? Why did we start this Purple Ride initiative? With three stories, we were able to understand that last mile connectivity is very, very important. Whenever our person with disability wants to take a ride or go for a travel, they should not hesitate because of lack of accessibility. So this was the main reason why we started the Purple Ride. I will play a small video so it will come to know with Namayatri what was the complete cycle, how we have done. Namayatri logo.
With nearly 5% population of persons with disabilities, mobility is a necessity, not a luxury.
PWDs are booking the
Introducing
apps.
India's first disability-friendly ride booking app, Namayatri. Namayatri has joined hands with Enable India.
Auto is coming to
Purple Rides, making auto rides inclusive.
pick the
and
PWDs.
disability-friendly. Our app offers personalized assistance.
Wheelchair
giving users
inside the
various
auto.
disabilities.
Def is showing OTP to
Purple
drivers.
Rides, Namayatri and Enable India are rewriting the story of inclusivity in mobility. Join us on this journey towards a more accessible world. Thank you.
ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ರೈಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತಂತೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಸ್ವಂತ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು ನನಗಂತೂ.
Drivers talking.
The Namayatri app.
Def is signing.
I'm signing it as NY. Now they are partnered with Enable India to make it more accessible for persons with disability.
Namayatri have been developed their app
VI girl talking.
for the persons with vision impairment. They have developed the talkback feature in their app so that a person with vision impairment can access all the pages of their app, and even you can update your profile on the Namayatri app.
So the partnership that we have with Namayatri
Enable India founder.
is going to be led by the community and by the drivers. Namayatri is already extremely driver centric, and that's why it's not what we think or Namayatri thinks. The community in phases are going to tell us this is what we want, and this is going to change the way all of us look at mobility solutions. Every other company needs to understand that listen to the customer, be centric to the customer with disability and the drivers. So I think it's going to change the landscape dramatically.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಹಾಯ ಬೇರೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಷ್ಟ ಪರಿಹಾರವಾಗಬಹುದು. ಮನಸ್ಸು ಬಿಚ್ಚಿ ಕೇಳಿ, ಒಂದು ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಇಡಿ.
So this is the initiative what we did with Namayatri. Just wanted to tell you quickly how did we do the user experience. So initially we in the Namayatri app we added the user profile. So any PWD can come and update their user profile to know that person with vision impairment or physical disability or deaf. And so that notification will go to a driver, so they will become a purple aware, so they know what kind of assistance is required. If deaf is booked the ride, so they know that they need to chat with the deaf person, should not call. And person with vision impairment, whenever they book, so they know they need to give a call to assist the person. And locomotor disability, usually they will go till the exact location and help them to get into the vehicle. So this is from the driver side which we did. And the third part, the new features, like for an example for the deaf, we disabled the calling facility, because usually that is Narasimha's story, right? He gets frustrated whenever he gets the call because he needs someone to help. So then we enable the chat, so drivers can only chat with deaf. And also we did we enabled talkback features in all the pages, so it's fully accessible for like our Samir, who can now independently book his app on his own. And the third thing, for the physical disability, whenever they come, they know how to give a small assistant to help them to get into auto. So these are the three different things which we worked on that. And what was the impact? So Enable India, Namayatri, this initiative happened. So the impact was we were able to see that 80,000 of PWDs spent 1.48 crores of money, which 1.67 lakhs drivers got benefited. So this happened in a 1 year journey. So this the dashboard shows November 2022 to till yesterday's date. So this is only for 3 disabilities which we have added, and the accessible only on Namayatri. So, and also with this, okay, the impact is came, and also we just started seeing what was the other engagement we wanted to do. So we started involving the community. So the community, PWD community, where we were able to, they started coming together, had regular meetups, and we started giving the updates what is happening with Namayatri, and also if they have any feedback on Namayatri or the app accessibility features, so they will help us to do the enhancement of the app. So this was one thing, and also the same way we did a tech community engagement also. So where there is a GitHub, we asked the tech PWDs, whoever is using, come and help us to use the code, give the feedback, how we can help more and more to prioritize the work. So this is 2 things. So just wanted to know, how was the journey? So quickly I told. So the journey was like the accessible, we made it as a 8 different steps. So one is listen. So here I have mentioned for our sighted people can see there is a lime juice. I mean for our blind friends. So lime juice means I have mentioned like LIME. For each this thing it's a different which I will be talking right now. So listen PWD customer voice. So like how we met Mallika. So we were able to get lot of survey. So we were able to understand the need or the challenges what is happening with the team. Second was immerse. So with product team, so we invited Namayatri product team to developers to come and meet the PWDs and understand what kind of a different assistive technology they are using, how they're working, what is their need, how we should be together, and co-create the product features together. So they were literally sitting 4 to 5 weeks in our office. One side they were developing, the other side the PWDs were testing and giving the feedback on the particular thing. And with that simultaneously we were doing because the large pieces our drivers, the delivery partners, so where we need to make them the aware. So we started making some videos where drivers self videos, so where they will be able to know, watch the video, how any person with disability comes, how I need to give an assistant. So that was helping them to do that. And the launch happened, the project launch happened. And as I was mentioning, the community meeting, the community engagement we were having together, so we can get whenever any issues or any enhancement is required, we were able to do it. Then it became, I mean, it is an open source, Namayatri experiment, it is an open source where people can take it and they can use it. And with all this, there is again, okay, Enable India or XYZ organization cannot be every time doing this work, right? So how to sustain? So we spoke with Namayatri and we told they need to install one person in their organization who can, for an example, Partha was talking about how many accessibility experts are available. So we told them to hire the accessibility expert in-house who can take care of the end-to-end Purple Ride initiative. So in case if any company startups are here, can you raise your hands? So, okay, or whenever you are going or meeting any companies, so these are the best practices, the 8 steps which we followed, so you can share with them. And also one side, yes, we took PWD's voices, we worked with developers, we worked with the company, but we were little curious to understand how was the journey for our drivers, Purple Ride experience, how it has been kind of thing. So when we spoke, I think almost 200 drivers we were able to interview and we spoke. Then they were saying already our auto drivers are very includable fellows. If they don't know language also, somehow they will communicate with us. If extra luggage, somehow they will fit in. If they don't know address also, somehow they will take us all the shortcut. And so, but they were saying they became even more includable person. And also they were saying that they were going beyond their boundaries. For an example, one driver was saying, Madam, usually I never go to MG Road and Richmond Circle. But when I get Purple Ride, I have been there and I have picked the RPWDs there. So they have that